For NASA scientists, disbelief filled the air. A human-made machine, resting on alien soil, had possibly captured the first image of an interstellar traveler from another planet. The odds of such an event were nearly zero. Yet, there it was, a cosmic visitor racing across Mars' night sky. Could it be mere coincidence? Or did the universe send a message from the beyond? The image appeared faint, elongated, and hauntingly sleek, almost too flawless for comfort. Some speculated it was an optical illusion, resulting from a long exposure as the object drifted slowly across the frame. Others whispered it might be something more, potentially artificial. As dawn broke at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, data flowed in. Engineers leaned closer to their monitors, their faces bathed in the screen's glow. What they observed defied any known pattern. The rover's optics remained clear, its system stable, and the coordinates precisely matched 3I Atlas trajectory. The realization struck with the force of muted thunder. Mars, a planet once thought lifeless, had borne witness to an event alive in the cosmos. Initially detected in July 2025 by Chile's Atlas survey telescopes, 3I ATLAS had already intrigued astronomers. Its hyperbolic path implied it was not bound to the Sun. Originating from the stars, it would swiftly disappear back into interstellar space, never to return. Avi Loeb from Harvard, known for his audacious theories, proposed that the elongated image might not be a physical shape but a byproduct of the camera's long exposure. Yet, he conceded that its acceleration could not be solely attributed to outgassing. Something appeared to propel it, subtly, accurately, and unnaturally. On Mars, the rover continued to scan the same stretch of sky night after night. Each observation revealed faint traces, streaks, dots, and once, a sudden bright flash lasting less than a second. Engineers deemed it a reflection. But deep down, uncertainty lingered. Could it have been a glimmer, a directed beam of light bouncing from a surface not formed by nature? This idea was officially dismissed, yet it persisted. Especially as the object's brightness began to pulse at regular intervals, every 8.3 hours. Too consistent to be random. It could be a rotation or something entirely different. Earth's telescopes echoed the same rhythm. The same flicker. The same cosmic heartbeat resonating across millions of kilometers. For the first time ever, two worlds, Earth and Mars, were simultaneously observing the same interstellar traveler. Humanity's vision expanded beyond a single planet. Triangulated data enabled astronomers to refine 3I Atlas orbit with stunning accuracy, tracing its origin back to an ancient stellar region nearly 300 light-years away. This revelation indicated that the object had been traversing the galaxy for tens of millions of years, long before humans existed. Imagine that. A frozen relic from a distant sun, wandering through darkness for eons, now silently gliding past Mars as one of our machines watched. As images circulated online, public excitement surged. Hashtags trended worldwide. Alien visitor over Mars. NASA urged calm, asserting no evidence of anything artificial. Yet, silence from press offices only deepened curiosity. Artists began to envision 3I ATLAS up close, metallic shards shimmering in sunlight, jets of vapor erupting into space. For millions, the concept of an interstellar craft observing us from afar no longer seemed implausible. Inside NASA, debates intensified. Scientists scrutinized every photon, every pixel of the rover's image. The oscillations in light intensity were too precise, too consistent. Was it a tumbling rock reflecting sunlight, or something designed with facets and geometry? As days passed, the object brightened rapidly. Its coma expanded, and spectral data unveiled particles reflecting light in unprecedented ways. Some appeared metallic. Others looked crystalline. Theories exploded. Could it have formed near a dying star? Or was it purposefully constructed? Then, during one of the rover's final sky captures, something extraordinary occurred. The image revealed not just a streak, but a faint halo surrounding it, asymmetric, as if the object vented gas in one direction. That same pattern had been witnessed years earlier in Oumuamua, the first interstellar object ever discovered. Back then, too, the acceleration had puzzled scientists. Could 3I-ATLAS be yet another of its kind? A second messenger? Or something sent with intent? This thought sent chills down even the most logical minds. Humanity has always sought signs of our shared existence. Yet when those signs emerge, it breeds not triumph but fear. Fear of being observed. Fear that our understanding of physics and biology might be lacking. Fear that our significance in the cosmos is far less than we ever imagined. As 3I-ATLAS approached the Sun, its tail became brilliant, illuminating the stars surrounding it. From Mars, it transformed from a mere streak into a radiant fan stretching across the horizon. The rover's camera, overwhelmed, recorded bursts of static and signal interference. Engineers attributed it to solar radiation, but the glitches seemed unsettlingly synchronized with the object's passage. Shortly after, the interstellar traveler slipped into the inner solar glare, vanishing as mysteriously as it had arrived. The streak across Mars' sky faded, leaving behind questions that might never find answers. What was it really? A natural fragment from a distant system? A relic of cosmic origins? Or something observing us, silently, patiently, as we reached for the stars? For now, it remains an enigma. A fleeting mark of light captured by a solitary robot on a silent planet. Yet this single frame may one day be remembered as the moment two planets, united, gazed outward and glimpsed the unknown. And somewhere in that dark expanse, the traveler continues its journey, indifferent, eternal, and still watching. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.